In this video, I show you how to increase your Epic Games download speed. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. We really do appreciate it, and let's get right into this guide. The first thing you need to do is come and close off of the Epic Games launcher just like so. And then what you need to do is go onto your keyboard and go and press on the Windows key and the R key at the same time. And you're going to go and get something called run in the bottom left of your computer. And what you need to do is type in % app data % just like so and go and hit OK. And then we're going to be taken to this file here. And what you then need to do is go back one, so go and press on app data, and then you need to go and tap on local. And then what you need to do is scroll down until you can go and see Epic Games Launcher. As you can see, it's just here, and go and double tap on that. Then you need to go and tap on saved, and then you need to go and press on config, and then you need to go and press on Windows, and then we've got these files here. And what you need to do is go and find engine, click on it once, and then right click on it and go and click open with, and we need to go and open it with our notepad. And then what you need to do is go into the description of this video, and there's a bit of text you need to go and paste into here. So copy and paste exactly how it is in the description. I'm going to go and do that right now. So I've copied it. I'm just going to go and paste it in, and it looks exactly like this. And then all you need to do is press on file and make sure it's saved. As you can see, the asterisk will then disappear, and then you can come and close off of it. Now for the next method, you'll need to go and open up the Epic Games launcher. So I'll quickly go and launch it now. You can go and double click on it on your desktop or just go and search for it. Then you need to go and open up your task manager as well. So tap on search and go and type in task manager just like so, and here we are. And then once it opens up, you need to go and tap on details, and we need to go and find the Epic Games launcher. So scroll down to E. As you can see, this is all in alphabetical order. Here it is. So then go and click on it once just like so, and right click on it, and you need to go and tap on set priority. Now what you want to do is go and increase it from normal to high. Don't use real time, that can really break your computer. Just use high and that'll be fine. So what setting it to high or above normal actually do is that it's going to have priority over all the other applications to go and use your computer. So that's going to include your CPU, your memory, but also your internet as well. So basically your computer is going to go and give it priority to use it for faster internet basically. And then once you've done that, you can come and close off your task and go and see if the speeds have improved. But some other general tips I recommend using is trying to use Ethernet where possible. So that is using a wired connection to your computer instead of a wireless. I know not everyone will be right next to your internet router. So what you can do is go and get these things called a power line adapter, which is basically two units. One's going to plug right into next to your router and you plug it in, and then it's going to go and put your internet connection through your electric circuit in your house, and you plug the other unit you have next to your computer, and then you can have an Ethernet port from this plug, all for your electrics, and you can plug it straight into your computer, and that's going to definitely increase your speed as well. And another tip is to go and do downloads overnight, because less people will be using your internet while they're sleeping, and also just trying to get other people off your network as well. And also at night, what's going to happen is that the residential area, your internet should be fast because other people are asleep. There we go guys, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.